and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from veganchoicefoods.com, where God is nature and nature is God. And I'm sharing my breakfast with you this morning because I have something real special for you this morning. Nature is God and God is nature, family. Nature is God and God is nature. So I'm eating from nature. This is my plate, but I got something special for you guys. Calabash plates from nature. God created this plate from Calabash family. Right now, guys, I have something special for you. So come on, family, come on. This is a special breaking news, special announcement, guys. Let me put down my fruits. But this is special announcement at the moment. So what I have for you guys, I have dish plate storing bowl from nature for you. This comes from nature. This comes from the calabash tree, guys. Godi. And this was carved out with a special carving. This is the Ankh, and this is Africa. We have three sizes. We got large, medium, and small. This will be on the website in a few hours, but if you want to get yours now, we have limited stock available, as you can see. We have limited stock available, guys. Limited stock available. As you can see, we have limited stock available. So as you can see, this is the extra large. This is the extra large, guys. And also, guys, just to let you know, you get a free bag of soursop leaf when you place your order, straight from the jewel of the Caribbean, Jamaica. Free bag of soursop leaf, guys. So as you can see, guys, we have limited amount of order right here. But we have the small, extra small over there, the medium size and the large size. So I'm gonna turn this over, guys, to show you what it's like. We also have the handbag for the queens. Look at this, guys. Handbag for the queens. This is like nature. This is so sophisticated, guys. So let me share this with you guys. So this is because when you're gonna place your order, you'll have to tell us which one you like. So just put some description in what you like. What you can do now, guys, you can DM us now if you're interested in this and you want to get it now before we go out of stock. DM us. We can send you our invoice via PayPal and you can pay and we have it shipped out to you. It takes like 14 business days to get to you guys, straight from Jamaica. So I'm gonna go through them, guys. This is the one with the Ankh. This is my one. I love this. It's Ankeru. And as you know, this is mine. I love this one. This one you got this is like a maybe some final leaf on this one. This one you have straight out of Africa for this one. This is a medium size. This one you have that sign on that one. This one you have a fish. Although we don't eat anything from the sea, but it's only sea moss and seaweed. But this one has a fish on it. This one has a nice pattern on it. This is the extra small one, has a nice pattern on it. And as you can see, guys, this is the Ankh. As you can see, this one has a leaf on it. Different pattern, guys, as you can see. This one has a fish on it. Yes, I like this one. This one is a special carving to it, as you can see. It's on the Ankh, as you can see. So, guys, you can store your fruits. You can store stuff in it if you don't want to eat out of it. So, as you can see, guys, we have different pattern on it, different size, different shape. So another Ankh, so you can have one if you want to. If you like the one I like, you can get this one. This one has a turtle on it on the back. This one has a pattern on the back. This one has a leaf on the back. This one has a pattern on the back. And it's the only thing you can hold it like this, guys. You can drink your soup out of it too. This one has a lion on the face. This one is beautiful. This one is the extra large one. I love this one. This one is like my favorite, but I'm giving it to you. So as you can see, this one has a nice elephant on it. Wow, so beautiful, family, so beautiful. As you can see, this one has the Ankh on it. The source of life is the Ankh. As you can see, that one has it on it. This one is another large one. We love. Africa, Mama Africa. This one is nice too, guys. We love Mama Africa, as you can see. And we have the spoon, guys. As you can see, the spoon. I am eating with the fork right now. Fresh from Jamaica. As you can see, guys. But for the queens, this is a bag for the queens, as you can see. You can adjust the strap inside if you want. So guys, that's it, guys. That's it. Super nice, guys. So go ahead, guys, if you like this right now, DM us. We can send you a PayPal invoice and you can tell me the one you like and we get it out for you. And as you can see, guys, you get a free bag of soursop, leaf, fresh, potent, and nice with when you order your plate from nature, guys. So as I said, guys, don't wait before it's too late. Don't wait, guys. Don't wait before it's too late. I speak, talk to me and message. Thanks, family. Hey, please talk to me and message. Sure, I will check my message and talk to you about that, guys. So as you can see, guys, I'm enjoying my fruits. This is very creative. Fruits in a melon plate. I want to eat the white part out of this one, so I'm gonna eat that. As you can see, guys, I have some burro banana, nice and rich. And some papaya, mangoes. This is star apple. Don't worry, guys, you will get a chance to experience this someday, because what I'm doing, I'm preparing the retreat, guys. You'll get a chance to experience all of this when you bring the retreat to life. You'll be able to come out and experience everything that I am experiencing. You'll experience real life, nature life. So this is Ankeru, guys. Checking out from veganchoicefoods.com. Have a great morning, have a great weekend. DM us if you want your natural nature-like plate from God, from nature. Ankeru is out, where nature is God and God is nature.